In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zapier with Wix to automate actions from your website. We'll be using the current desktop interface to connect your Wix site to Zapier, so you can automatically do things like add new contacts to a spreadsheet, send emails, or post to team chat when someone submits a form. Let's walk through it together from start to finish. First, head to Zapier.com and log into your Zapier account. Once you're in, look for the Create button and choose Zap. A Zap is simply an automated workflow made of a trigger and one or more actions. In the Trigger section, search for and select Wix. You'll be prompted to choose a trigger event that starts the automation, such as new form submission or new contact. Pick the one that matches what you want to track. New form submission is great for lead capture, while new contact is helpful for general signups. Click. Continue to move on. Next, click Sign in to Wix. Authorize Zapier to access your Wix account so it can pull the necessary data. If you manage multiple sites, select the correct Wix site when prompted. This ensures the trigger listens to the right place. Now, click Test Trigger. Zapier will fetch sample data from your Wix site and display it here. This preview helps you confirm the connection and will be used to map fields in the next steps. If the sample looks right, you're ready to build the outcome of your automation. Click Add Action. This is where you choose the app that should do something when the Wix trigger fires. You can connect tools like Google Sheets, Gmail, Slack, or a CRM. After choosing your app, select the specific action event, such as Create Spreadsheet Row, Send Email, Post Message, or Create Record, depending on your workflow. Click Continue, then connect your account for that app if you haven't already. You'll be asked to sign in and grant permission so Zapier can perform the action on your behalf. With the app connected, map your Wix data to the action fields. For example, connect the form's name, email, message, or any other fields to the matching fields in your action app. This mapping tells Zapier exactly what information to send and where it should go. Click Test Step to make sure the automation works end-to-end. You should see a success message and a sample result in your destination app. If everything looks good, click Publish to turn your Zap on and start automating. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.